Hello everyone, welcome to OTS. This is Andy. Now let's talk about how to operate the impact test. Okay, first we have to open the power, right? And this is the power switch. And then we have to open the software. Now this time we choose the Russian language. Okay, Russian language. At first we have to choose the pendulum. We have two pendulum. This time the machine installed is the small one. It's 200. It's 250. So we choose 250 Joule. Okay, and the second step we have to renew new. Okay, and tap the some informations. This is the informations about the tester name, atom, and the sample name. Yeah, below one is this your simple informations, right? Okay, and and the third step we have to swim up. That means race. Okay, race. We have to raise up the pendulum, right? Yeah, pendulum swim up, that raise up. Okay, and then we have to put your sample on the right position. Yeah, and use the tools to check the right position. Yeah, it's okay. And the third one we have to pin shock. Yeah, pin shock. This is pin shock. Come on, pin shock. Okay, and then we have to click the shock impact. Come on, go, boom. Yes, and then to do the next step. Usually we will do third times. Yeah, third times. Now this is the sample, your sample after tested. Yeah. Okay. And you come on, look at the software. Yeah. Look at the software. You can see the test parameters after tested, and then we can also this is the report, right? And we can put out the report, and this is the report. Yeah, this is and we can print at your request. So much. That's all. Thank you very much.